Finding the right organic hair care products can be a daunting task, especially with so many options flooding the market. If you're looking for effective, eco-friendly, and nourishing shampoos, this video is for you. Today, we'll explore 5 top-rated organic shampoos that are perfect for all hair types and will help you achieve healthy, vibrant hair naturally. Whether you're concerned about dryness, color-treated hair, or overall scalp health, these shampoos have got you covered. Let's dive into the details of these fantastic products. Kicking off our list at number 1, John Masters Organics. The John Masters Organics shampoo is a beloved name in the organic hair care world, known for its high-quality ingredients and effective formulations. This shampoo is designed to provide a gentle yet thorough cleanse without stripping the hair of its natural oils. It's perfect for those looking for a luxurious experience with natural ingredients, offering both immediate and long-term benefits for the scalp and hair. Key features: John Masters Organic Shampoo is formulated with a blend of 70% organic ingredients, including essential oils like lavender, rosemary, and peppermint. These ingredients are carefully chosen to nourish, balance, and revitalize the hair and scalp. This shampoo is free from harsh chemicals like parabens, sulfates, and synthetic fragrances, ensuring a clean and eco-friendly experience. The organic aloe vera, in particular, helps hydrate the scalp, while the jojoba oil nourishes and strengthens hair strands. Benefits and usage: one of the standout benefits of John Masters Organic Shampoo is its ability to maintain moisture balance while thoroughly cleansing the scalp. Whether you have dry, oily, or combination hair, it helps regulate oil production and leaves your hair feeling fresh and nourished. Simply apply to damp hair, massage into the scalp, and rinse thoroughly. It's suitable for daily use and can be followed with a conditioner from the same brand for best results. Usability: the shampoo has a smooth, creamy texture that lathers well, making it easy to apply and distribute throughout the hair. The natural scent is refreshing without being overpowering, providing a calming experience with every wash. This shampoo is ideal for individuals with sensitive scalps as it's free from irritating chemicals and harsh fragrances. It's also easy to travel with, as the packaging is sturdy and convenient, ensuring no leaks during transport. Durability: John Masters Organic Shampoo provides long-lasting hydration and nourishment to your hair. Regular use helps improve scalp health over time, reducing dandruff and promoting a cleaner, healthier scalp. The shampoo's gentle formula means you don't need to use a large amount per wash, allowing the bottle to last longer. With continued use, you'll notice smoother, shinier hair that's easy to manage and style. In the second spot, we have Aveda Shampure. Aveda Shampure shampoo is an iconic product in the world of organic hair care. Known for its soothing and calming properties, this shampoo is formulated with 25 pure flower and plant essences, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a natural solution for their hair care routine. It's gentle on the scalp while providing a deep cleanse, leaving your hair soft, shiny, and manageable. Key features: Aveda Shampure shampoo features a balanced blend of organic ingredients, including certified organic sunflower seed oil, which helps to moisturize and protect the hair. The inclusion of essential oils like lavender, rosemary, and ylang-ylang adds a subtle, relaxing fragrance to the shampoo. This formula is sulfate-free, making it ideal for those with color-treated or sensitive hair. The shampoo is also cruelty-free and vegan, staying true to Aveda's commitment to sustainability and ethical practices. Benefits and usage: Aveda Shampure shampoo is designed to gently cleanse and hydrate the hair without stripping away its natural oils. It works wonders for all hair types, especially dry, damaged, or color-treated hair, as it nourishes and strengthens each strand. To use, simply apply a small amount to wet hair, lather, and rinse. For optimal results, use it alongside Aveda's Shampure conditioner to lock in moisture and maintain hair health. Usability: the shampoo has a silky, lightweight texture that distributes easily through your hair. It lathers well, so you don't need much product for a thorough wash. The fragrance, derived from pure plant essences, is light and refreshing, making it a perfect choice for those who prefer subtle scents. It's easy to use and rinses clean without leaving any residue behind. The 100% recyclable packaging further enhances its eco-friendly appeal. Durability: Aveda Shampure shampoo delivers lasting moisture and shine, leaving your hair feeling nourished long after you've rinsed it out. The formula is gentle enough for daily use without causing buildup. Regular use helps improve hair texture and manageability, making it easier to style. The shampoo also helps balance the scalp's natural oils, promoting overall scalp health. With continued use, it helps maintain healthy, beautiful hair with minimal effort. Coming in at number 3 is the Rahua Classic Shampoo. Rahua Classic Shampoo is a luxurious, high-performance shampoo that is formulated with all-natural ingredients sourced from the Amazon rainforest. Known for its exceptional cleansing properties, Rahua Classic Shampoo uses plant-based ingredients to restore vitality and shine to the hair. It's ideal for those looking for a truly organic and sustainable option for their haircare routine. Key features: Rahua Classic Shampoo is infused with Rahua oil, a powerful ingredient that has been used by indigenous tribes in the Amazon for centuries. This oil is rich in omega-9 fatty acids, which help nourish and strengthen hair from the root to the tip. The shampoo also contains natural botanical extracts such as aloe vera and green tea, which help to soothe the scalp and promote healthy hair growth. It's free from sulfates, parabens, and synthetic fragrances, ensuring a clean and natural wash every time. Benefits and usage: Rahua Classic Shampoo is perfect for dry, damaged, or color-treated hair. It provides a deep cleanse while replenishing moisture and nutrients to the hair. The omega-9 fatty acids in Rahua oil help repair and restore damaged hair, leaving it soft and shiny. To use, apply to damp hair, massage into the scalp, and rinse thoroughly. For best results, follow up with Rahua's conditioner to lock in moisture and maintain your hair's health. Usability: the shampoo has a rich, smooth texture that lathers beautifully, making it easy to apply and spread evenly throughout your hair. Its mild, earthy scent is derived from the natural plant ingredients, providing a soothing and aromatic experience. The shampoo is also great for sensitive scalps as it's free from harsh chemicals and synthetic additives. The bottle's design is sleek and functional, ensuring easy use and storage. Durability: Rahua Classic Shampoo delivers long-lasting moisture and shine, and with regular use, it helps restore the natural health of your hair. The nourishing ingredients ensure that your hair remains hydrated and manageable throughout the day. The shampoo's formulation also helps balance oil production in the scalp, so your hair doesn't become greasy too quickly. With continued use, you'll notice stronger, shinier hair that is less prone to breakage and damage. Taking our 4th spot is Josh Rosebrook Balance Shampoo. Josh Rosebrook Balance Shampoo is a sophisticated blend of organic ingredients designed to balance and detoxify the scalp and hair. This shampoo is perfect for those with sensitive skin or scalp concerns, such as dandruff, itching, or excess oil production. It's formulated to gently cleanse while maintaining the health of both the hair and scalp, making it a great option for those looking for a soothing yet effective solution. Key features: Josh Rosebrook Balance Shampoo is made with a combination of organic ingredients like aloe vera, coconut oil, and jojoba oil, which work together to hydrate and replenish moisture. The shampoo also includes anti-inflammatory ingredients such as chamomile and calendula, which help calm irritated scalps. It's free from sulfates, parabens, and synthetic fragrances, ensuring that it is gentle and non-irritating. Additionally, the shampoo is cruelty-free and uses sustainable practices for a truly eco-friendly product. Benefits and usage: this shampoo is ideal for those with sensitive scalps or those suffering from scalp conditions like dandruff or inflammation. It provides a thorough cleanse while maintaining moisture levels in the hair and scalp. To use, simply apply to wet hair, massage into the scalp, and rinse. For optimal results, pair it with Josh Rosebrook's conditioner to enhance its hydrating effects and lock in moisture. Usability: Josh Rosebrook Balance Shampoo has a luxurious, creamy texture that spreads easily through the hair. The gentle formula creates a rich lather, making it easy to cleanse the scalp and hair without irritation. The fragrance, derived from plant-based ingredients, is calming and light. It's perfect for those who are sensitive to strong scents and need a more subtle, natural aroma. The bottle design is sleek and functional, allowing for easy application. Durability. The nourishing ingredients in Josh Rosebrook Balance Shampoo ensure that your scalp stays hydrated and balanced long after you've rinsed it out. It helps control oil production and reduce scalp irritation, making it suitable for daily use. The shampoo also improves the overall texture of the hair, leaving it soft and manageable. Regular use helps keep the scalp clean and free from buildup, promoting healthier hair growth over time. And finally, at number 5, we have Acure Organic Shampoo. Acure Organic Shampoo is a highly popular organic hair care option known for its affordability and effectiveness. This shampoo is formulated with a blend of organic oils, vitamins, and minerals to deeply nourish and hydrate the hair while maintaining its natural balance. Whether you have dry, oily, or color-treated hair, Acure's shampoo works wonders in restoring moisture and vitality. Key features: Acure Organic Shampoo contains a blend of organic ingredients like argan oil, aloe vera, and chamomile extract, which work together to hydrate, soothe, and protect the hair. The shampoo is free from sulfates, parabens, and other harmful chemicals, making it a safe and gentle option for all hair types. It's also cruelty-free and vegan, ensuring that it aligns with sustainable and ethical practices. Benefits and usage: Acure Organic Shampoo is designed to hydrate and balance the scalp and hair. It's ideal for individuals with dry or damaged hair as it replenishes moisture and helps improve hair texture. To use, apply to wet hair, massage into the scalp, and rinse thoroughly. For best results, follow with Acure's conditioner for added hydration and shine. Usability: this shampoo has a smooth, creamy texture that creates a rich lather, making it easy to distribute throughout the hair. The natural scent is mild and pleasant, derived from the organic oils and extracts used in the formula. It's gentle on sensitive scalps and works well for those who are sensitive to artificial fragrances. The packaging is simple yet functional, ensuring ease of use. Durability: Acure Organic Shampoo helps maintain moisture and shine long after you've washed your hair. With regular use, it nourishes the hair and scalp, leaving your hair feeling soft, hydrated, and healthy. The gentle formula ensures that your scalp remains balanced and free from buildup. Over time, you'll notice stronger, shinier hair that's easier to manage and style. Choosing the right organic shampoo can make a huge difference in the health and appearance of your hair. Whether you're looking to hydrate, balance, or detoxify, these 5 products have proven their effectiveness time and again. By opting for organic ingredients, you're not just treating your hair to nourishing care, but also being kind to the environment. Try one of these shampoos today and experience the natural beauty of organic hair care for yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews and tips.